Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, it's me again, your friendly friend Mar. And today is May 9, 2022. Election day here in the Philippines. So, as you can see guys, I'm ready myself. I'm going there at the election facility there. Well, I'm here in Angeles, so I'm gonna cast my vote here in Angeles. Me, for instance, I'm going to Malabañas Elementary School to cast my vote there. So I have to use my constitutional right, which is to vote. Yeah. And maybe it will help, build our nation better, So just stick around and I'll take you there, alright? So I'm just about ready to go to the designated precinct where I will cast my vote today. So to all of you guys out there, vote wisely and honestly, alright? So this will help you build our nation a lot better, alright? So vote with your conscience, okay? So I'll see you there. What I've noticed, guys, is the streets are pretty quiet today. Maybe just too early for me to go out there. Like I said, it's better, to vote early, so we can do more things the whole day, right? Looks like those are on the chimney are voters. We're almost there, guys. So from here I can see a lot of people now. Alright. Yeah. Here you can feel the festivity of the election right here.
Sa presinto niya na lang yan. Ay, pareho kayo ah. Sige, alam na namin.
Party list, ma'am. Party list, ma'am.
Ano, bayo na yun. Bayo na yun.
Tawa na na lang.
Balik tayo.
Wow, there's a lot
lot of people already here. They must have been here for as early as 6 o'clock, I think. Wow. Most of them are having trouble finding their names or the percent number. Alright, me too. I have to go around and find my name too from this list hanging on the walls of these rooms in Malabañas Elementary School.
Here, Malabañas Elementary School already, so I can't find my name right there inside. So I went down here, the precinct finder, to find out where's my name listed. Yeah, yung mga dakilang na natin dito. Guys, here's my precinct number right there. So I'm gonna go back inside the school and find this number 2938. Alright, here we go.
Well, this voting place will be open until 3 p.m. this afternoon. But I just have to come out early because I still have a job today at 2 p.m. Most of the people here also came too early to be able to do a lot of other things, you know.
I'm here at the queue. Alright, look at that, pretty long queue. So I think it'll be longer if I came here late. Okay.
Itong dulo ito, 293 yan eh. Yung diretso yun eh.
Ali, kaya rin nga ang kabila ng bakol. Masabi na nito na lagi.
Ito mo rin ang alam mo. Magulo natin kayo. Samot-samot ko kayo. Karena, wah, di makalunok kaya sa kinipot ko. Ayaw sandalang mahimali. Napatihin dito ako na. Mga baka yun. Yun yung pinakatuloy dyan. Hindi. Meron doon. Ay, pati kapasanan.
Kasi kaya, punta na ako kay Pota Maria sa mga patabayari kami.
Anong presento kayo? 292. Dito priority. Excuse me. Ito, pwede.
Anong present po?
292A.
292A. Kaya po.
Ito. Sige, pa. Ayan, wag niya para hindi masyadong.
Na, sir, tanong lang po sana kung saan, ay, room ito.
293. Dito lang yan. 293 din ito.
Kasi hindi nila nalagyan ng ganito.
Number.
Room.
Ito po, 293 po ito. Ito, 293. Itong pila na to.
Ha?
Ito na. Saan dito?
Sa Santol.
Hindi ko lang po alam tayo. Baka dito banda kasi dito yung baka 28, 27 dito banda. Dito po sa building na to po. Yan. Nakitahin po.
Side gate. Lagpas lang na
28.
Malamang, sunod po kayo doon sa Boracay nagtanong sa kanya. Baka dito kasi yung mga 26, 27. Pag wala pa kayo makita dyan, pwede dito doon sa gila.
di paliko dyan eh.
Kita mo na, maraming.
Nakikita mo maraming sasakyan.
Benji, ang room number, ang room mo, G101.
Almost there guys, almost there. Haba pa sila doon. Alright.
Tara na kayo dahil.
Big area. Be the next in line to vote. Alright, so in a minute, pasok na tayo sa voting area. Ayan. Cast na natin yung mga paborito natin mga artista. Mga artista sa gobyerno. Kaya, you know, it is what it is. Guys, there you go guys. Cast my vote already. So, cast your votes too.
Ano project number niya?
Hindi siya bumubuhay. Kasi may boto ulit ang ngayon. Yara mo pala yung tuma.
Alright guys, I'm coming out of the voting precinct. So I'll say congratulations to the winners tomorrow. For now guys, it's me again, your friendly friend Mar, saying bye bye.